This is where we camped the state park in Nikiski, Alaska. And if you look with me, this part looks kind of like the White River, but the salmon are coming upstream trying to. And if we look right over here, we have one of those fishing wheels. That's way cool. And then we do have some fishermen down under the bridge area. And the water is moving out. It's very clear. You can look and see the rocks. Can y'all see those rocks? There you can see the bottom. It's very clear. I've got my tennis shoes on. I probably should have on my hiking shoes or my boots. If I had my boots on, I could step in there, or I could just fish. There's a big rock. Anyway, very nice morning coffee area.